so excited, and this is not my first time being in Burundi. This is our third time, and we believe that this time it's gonna be amazing because I love Burundi. I love people from Burundi. They are so loving, they are so kind, and by the way, I have friends here already. So we are looking forward for INGANJI Festival, to see the move of God, to see kuona Mungu anabadilisha maisha ya watu, kuona watu wanamwabudu Mungu tena kwa viwango vingine. For the people who are coming, mimi nawaambia wajiandae mioyo yao. Yeah, okay, they should prepare their hearts to receive from God. We expect to see the move of Holy Spirit. We expect to see the talent, as my fellow minister said. We expect to see the love of God. We will love to see the love of God, to experience the love of God. We expect to see the Holy Spirit renewing our faith, renewing our everything in our life.